Poppin', y'all. Welcome back to my channel, Tooth Gamer. Subscribe. Yeah, where's my cat? I got dog. Dog. Where's my little kitty cat? That's where you went. I guess you're just going on this side, Come on, little birdie. Birdies. Come on. Oh. I thought these birds attacked. I'll be like, I get this, Their range is great. Cat. Third try? Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Just give me a seed. I'll find the chickens. Let's see here. Seeds. Boom. I think that's enough. I need some food. I'm starving. I got watermelons. That'll work. So I upload every 2 days, I was saying. Hello. I know you're hungry. I just need to see what your children look like, What do your children look like? Boo! 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 Come here, chickens. I need you. You. And that little one up, And you to all have babies. Well, how many kids you guys got? Mister. I don't got no seeds on me. I got one chick over there. Aren't you supposed to be like... I will just eliminate you. Thank you. There's only one chick. Okay, now we got 2 chicks. 3. Okay, we gotta count carefully. 1, 2. One, 2. 2. Okay, got to, go over here, over here. So we need to grab this dude. So are you happy that was the first time escaping? Because guess what? Boom, shakalaka. Got him. Okay. We need to fix this up. First, I will need to find, is there even chickens? That will be grateful. Ooh. Do you like to eat? So you are different from others. Chicken! Got 1 chicken. We got 1 chicken. We need to get you home safely, mister. Because if you don't, it's not going to end good for you. Actually, it's not going to end good for me. You with me? Do you guys even catch up with me while I'm running? Okay, this is good. No. Let's take him inside my house. Nah, I'm good. Stay away from me, chicken. Stay away from me, rooster. So this game mode has chickens, roosters, and dogs. Dog 1, dog 2. Leave a comment below. Okay, this is my first pet. I got a name tag right next to the fishing rod. Which one should I name? Should I name this dog? Or should I name this dog? What color should their collar be? Comment down below. Chicken. Let's go. Ooh, rooster. This is a rooster, so there's different types. So, let's put him. This was gonna be their home, but that's it. So we could put him in the sheep pen. Roosters, Come on, rooster, rooster. No more grass for you, sheep. You walking into my trap, chicken? Put that there. Could just make this flat. But I do want him to have like some space. Hey, chicken, look at me. Hey. Okay, we need to cover up here, here, here. Yeah, I don't trust him really here. If he falls, you know, he's gotta learn how to fly. Let's see, will you know how to fly? Will you know how to fly? Guess not. If he does die, then I might be wondering why I'm putting this stuff here, because they somehow escape. Last time I had sheep in here, they all disappeared. Chicken, please don't you dare be the smart ones. Gobble gobble, rooster. Hello there, rooster. Okay. My mob farm does work, you know. Actually, there was 2 creepers in there. I stay up all night, but you know, I'm not gonna be outside, so we need to find another chicken. Chickens. I got infinite seeds. I know you guys chickens. Y'all not chickens, y'all like turkeys. Gobble gobble. Chickens. Chickens. You's not a chicken. Get out here. You need real chickens, okay, cuz? Their range for food is pretty darn far. Okay. You know what? I've had enough of these chickens. Okay. So I upload every 2 days, guys. Gobble gobble. Oh, we need chickens. Chicken. Now, yeah, I love seeds. Especially chickens love seed. So cows, I might be able to get some like realistic ones. Don't really know. Boo! Have one. We have basically 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all. Find stuff, I'll upload it. Rooster, there he is. Whew. We need... Let's fix this place up. No, why not? Okay, there's like a pond over here. All I know is this water's gotta get out. Like a little water right there, you know. This will stay definitely. Keeps, you know, some of the mobs out. Not all of them out. Right here. Put something like dirt for now. Go through the dog door right here. Oh. Got to teach them, you know. Where's your kitty cat? Oh, meow. Go through the kitty door. Okay, you stay. Let's remove this guy right over. We don't have it. I don't feel like creating torches. I don't care if I die with this, you know. Because all I need to do is slap some of it. Bust it. Is there chicken? Please not. Okay. Got food. Now we just need sticks. Woo-woo. Coal. Please, please. 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 Yes. Please. I don't care about that. The only thing I care about is getting torches. Tough is good enough, you know. Light this boy up. You are not coming through here. You just gotta learn how to use a kitty door. Don't you dare teleport. Are you smart or stupid? Use the dang kitty door. Thank you. See? That easy. You don't have to go through water. The reason why I put water there. Because we have mobs spawning. I don't want them to spawn. So I have to spread them out. You find an easier way. I'm taking the long way. Come on, little cat. Go. Shoo. Shoo. Wow. Hello, world. Oh, wait, cuz. Oh, no, cat. Oh, no. Looks like somebody's gotta go through the kitty door. Use the dang kitty door. Whatever, you could cheat and teleport. What are you gonna bring me? You bring me nothing, huh? Get back up here, cat. on, little kitty cat. I got food for you. No, you cats love food. You know what? If you dead down here, everybody else, I'll help you out. You can follow me, but I don't care if you get killed. I'm just kidding, y'all. Rooster! Gobble, gobble. What's poppin'? So you have to find two different. These chickens that lay eggs. There's some that don't. It's mostly like real life. These chickens that lay eggs, you know. Work, please. Isn't there like chickens at least? I need chickens to go guac, guac, guac. There's no chickens, huh? Cat, please. I think chickens only spawn in the green. Got plenty of those birds. So these birds are like, chicken! Please, I don't want you. Get out of here. Please don't tell me you're following me back, you know? Is your chicken? Don't you dare come up here. You want that sled, huh? Their range is good. Let's take you to meet your future husband. That's what I like about these chickens. They're quick. Not so quick at uphills, you know. Stop walking backwards. Stop trying to break blocks. Come on, chickens. Time for you guys to finally meet. Get out here, kitty cat. You're not part of that. You're not part of that family situation, you know? He was not a family, dog. Okay, if I feed you, and if I feed you. Good. What's up, chickie chick? Hello, little baby chick. Follow your mother. Which one is your mom? I think they only follow the ones that are girls, because they do know which one they are. So you follow your dad, huh? Don't follow him. He ain't your father. There you go, run. Follow this one, okay? Your mother. You could just split them all up, but you know. Keep family together. Hello, baby chick. Don't you dare come out here. Cats will eat you, okay? These cats will eat you. Right, fellas. Could just get my dogs. I'll just handle everything. If y'all never knew, you could actually play strings. But I don't want to put it up there. Please, please, please. Open it. Close it and open it. Don't want to put it there though, so no. Put the basics, put on the wood. Got to make it look like another spider webs, you know. Got basically everything we almost needed. This is my favorite part. I could just come right here and they'll move out the way. I think these are scared of us, It's Okay, I'm here to feed you guys. So the ones with chicks cannot breed. Chick. Who? I didn't say run out. Get your butt back here. All of y'all. Boo! Don't you dare come right here. Gotta get your butt back here. These things can be quick. I think we got a chip on them. No baby chick. This has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Never mind, I'm not gonna count. The horse is way weaker than this. Donkey. I'm gonna do this and they cannot get in. These cows, on the other hand, I don't care about them. I'm gonna get better ones, you know. Way better ones. Harvest this watermelon. This. I want to eat this. I don't care if I eat this. I don't want it though. That's not what I want though. I don't want you here. Get out of here. Ow. Just gotta get one more animal and you know. That might just be how we wrap up the video today. I think this is what this dude eats. I'm not 100% sure, but you know. What do you eat then? You expect me to guess? I think they might be able to eat apples. I want you here. Waddle. Don't you dare start running after me. Will she accept him? Who cares? The only thing that matters is feed you, and feed you. Please make 2 children. So they can make 2 children. So this dude, so yeah. That counts. That's good enough. Move out the way, you know. You know the drill. Guess what, guys? Kitty cat, go through the kitty door. Yeah. Mink and he teleports. Good cat. Good cat, okay? No, I need you to just sit down. No dogs on the bed. No cats on the bed. Y'all's bed somewhere else. I'm gonna make y'all one. I'll get a little mouth pack, you know? That's all, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. Comment down below what should my next video be. Should I catch a cow? You know, make more videos. Post. I'm also posting every 2 days. Peace.